Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I am going to share how to make a beautiful organizer from waste cardboard box. Before I start the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the notifications of my newly uploaded videos. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Enjoy watching the video. I hope guys you liked today's DIY. Please comment me in the section below. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you soon in the next video with more amazing crafts ideas. Till then, better take care of your health. Stay safe, stay home, be crafty. Bye bye.